Today I will make some sparkling earrings, and what you need is head pins, and this is crystal beads, faceted. I think they're 8mm wide and 5mm the other way, and some crystal bicones, bead caps, jump rings, and ear hooks. So first you take the head pin and take that little bicone, put it on, and after that you put the bead cap on, and then the crystal, and then the other bead cap, like that, and then the last bicone, like that, and then you will have to make the loop. So you bend the head pin and you cut it a bit to the correct length for your loop, like that. Then you take your round nose plier and you make the loop. Like that. There you go. Then you will put it together. So you take a jump ring, not put. Take a jump ring. You open it. Put the earring on, and then your ear hook, and then you close it like that. And here's your earring, and here's the other one that I already made, like that. You can also make them a bit simpler without the bead cap, like this if you want to. And you can make a million variations of these ones, but they're quick and easy. And they're shiny and glittery and nice.